yan. Thank you. Gusto po ulit Oops. Wow, diamond. Kain yan. Corona ulit. Kain yan. Roto hub. Ano yung hub na yun? Puro grill house lang ba na trabaho, Jelly? Analyzing files.
Analyzing files. Mabilis na sa'yo. Mabilis sa akin.
Saka na ba? Diyan tayo sa gift. Yun guys. Kailan kaya ako makakagkaroon ng aeroplano guys? Ayan guys, so may aeroplano. Naka-unlock pa siya guys. Tagal. Tagal talaga to.
Sa'yo, galing eh.
Ayan, ranking na.
30% mo sa akin.
Lakas na sa akin. Okay. Wala, competition.
Ano, wala kang ganda ka? Nakabili na ng ganda.
Hello, would you like to hear about my new icons that spice up your game experience with various content other than food serving? My numbers are beauty shop for me. Price and competitive rating. Go and take a look at the menu. Take at the menu.
Pwede lagyan tubig yun.
Already is your first time seeing the menu, ha?
Yeah.
By the way, ranking and chef mission are only available during the event period, and Lulu is only available when the hotel street is open.